Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple way to add music to your Godaddy website builder in 2025. Whether you want to enhance your website's vibe or give visitors a more engaging experience, this tutorial will guide you step by step. First, head over to the Godaddy website and log in to access your website builder tools. Once you're on the main page, navigate to the products section. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you can manage and customize your website to fit your brand perfectly. Next, select the website you want to edit and click on Edit Website. This opens the website editor, giving you the freedom to make changes to your layout, content, and now your music. Inside the editor, look for the Add section button and click on it. Then, type music into the search bar. This will bring up all the available music-based sections. Select the audio option, which allows you to integrate your chosen tunes directly into your website. Once you've chosen your music, click Add, and just like that, the audio feature is embedded into your page. Visitors will now enjoy the music as they explore your site, creating a unique and immersive experience. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added music to your Godaddy website, making it more dynamic and engaging. Take a moment to enjoy your creation and don't forget to explore other ways to enhance your site's design. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to make your website shine.